This fly is hot. Ah, get some hot wax vinegar. You're shooting. Hey guys. Wait, am I supposed to say I'm back? Hey guys, so today we will be making some egg and cheese noodles. It's tasty, it's filling, it's a snack, whatever you want. So let's get the show on the road. Yeah? I am the Lazy Chef. If you want to see some more Lazy Chef videos, like, share, subscribe. So let's get the show on the road, shall we? Flame. Hey, Chineke me. This will be difficult, so there's no, the wind is just like. So we're gonna put just the bare minimum of water. We're not trying to make soup. Just really little water. Now we're gonna cook our noodles. You need to put like really little water, but enough for it to untangle. So we don't want a lot of water, just a little to cook it. I'm hoping that will light. You can start putting your spices. You can add any spices, guys, remember. From curry powder, black pepper, cayenne, anything. Some bit of curry powder. And then we're gonna cook our noodles. I'm hoping the gas is still on, the wind hasn't blown it out. Okay, because now it's boiling. I'm gonna turn it so the spices are in the water. Remember guys, it's like limited water, but make sure the water doesn't run out, because then you'll just be, yeah, doing nothing. Okay, if we look now, it's all untangling, but it's still hard. It's a good thing. When it's so soft, it doesn't really work much. So you just want it to untangle, and then our water is almost fully drained, which is a good thing. So make sure you have limited, like really little water when you're cooking, because we don't want it all red. You need to reduce the heat to almost nothing as you're putting the egg. You are going to break the egg in. I mix it all up till it's all nice and gooey. You need to make sure the egg is cooking and it's all mixed. After the egg has completely mixed in with the noodles, it's already ready, but now we're gonna add some cheese. I pre-shredded cheese already. So you're just gonna add cheese. This depends on how much cheese you like, guys. There's no preference. And then we go mix that right up to melt inside and be all gooey. You need to keep stirring so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. And you're done, basically. And it's all nice, and it's gonna be all nice and neat. I don't know if it's yummy or yummy. Works better if I don't add salt. You can put that. You can't put that, can you? Now we can taste our egg and cheese noodles. For those obsessed with cheese like me, you can top it off with more cheese if you want. You can add whatever you want to it. Any kind of veggies or stuff, that's your preference, man. So let's taste this. It's like my favorite part because of the cheese. So that is it for today. I am the Lazy Chef. If you want to see more Lazy Chef videos, like, share, subscribe, and I will be back next week with more videos. I am out.